Welcome to UXL, where you can learn new skills anytime and anywhere. Visit uxl.com to explore our full course selection. This lesson is part of a larger course. Check the video description below for a link to the full course where you can enroll. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. For your convenience, the course cover displayed on your screen provides the complete course title and lesson title. Let's proceed with the lesson. Lesson: Recognition Programs Across Cultures. Recognition programs across cultures present a complex and multifaceted challenge for senior professionals in Human Resources International. These programs, integral to the total rewards system in a global context, serve to acknowledge and incentivize employee performance. However, the effectiveness of such programs is deeply influenced by cultural norms, values, and expectations. Understanding these cultural variances is essential for HR professionals to design and implement recognition strategies that are both meaningful and motivating for a diverse workforce. Recognition programs are a critical component of a company's total rewards strategy. They encompass various forms of acknowledgment, including verbal praise, monetary rewards, promotions, and public recognition. The primary objective is to reinforce desired behaviors and outcomes, thereby enhancing employee engagement, motivation, and retention. However, the perception and impact of recognition can vary significantly across different cultural settings. For instance, in collectivist cultures, such as those found in many Asian countries, public recognition might be viewed as embarrassing or inappropriate. Conversely, in individualistic cultures, like the United States, public acknowledgement and individual awards are often highly valued and can significantly boost motivation and morale. One of the most notable cultural dimensions influencing recognition is power distance, which refers to the extent to which less powerful members of a society accept and expect that power is distributed unequally. In high-power distance cultures, such as Mexico and India, employees may prefer recognition from higher-level managers rather than their peers. This preference stems from the cultural norm that values hierarchical structures and deference to authority. In contrast, in low-power distance cultures, such as Denmark and Sweden, peer recognition and egalitarian practices are more common and appreciated. Another critical factor is the cultural dimension of individualism versus collectivism. In individualistic cultures, recognition programs that highlight personal achievements and individual contributions are likely to be effective. These programs often include Employee of the Month awards, individual bonuses, and personal development opportunities. However, in collectivist cultures, recognition that emphasizes team achievements and group contributions aligns better with cultural values. For example, in Japan, group harmony and collective success are paramount, and recognition programs often focus on team-based rewards and collective acknowledgement. Uncertainty avoidance, which measures a society's tolerance for ambiguity and uncertainty, also plays a significant role. In cultures with high uncertainty avoidance, such as Greece and Portugal, structured and formalized recognition programs are preferred. Employees in these cultures value clear guidelines and predictable recognition practices. Conversely, in cultures with low uncertainty avoidance, such as Singapore and the United Kingdom, more informal and flexible recognition methods may be more effective. Long-term versus short-term orientation is another dimension that can influence recognition programs. In cultures with a long-term orientation, such as China and South Korea, recognition programs that emphasize long-term benefits, such as career development opportunities and pension plans, are likely to be more appreciated. These cultures value perseverance, thrift, and long-term rewards. On the other hand, in short-term oriented cultures, such as the United States and Canada, immediate and tangible rewards, such as bonuses and gift cards, are often more effective in motivating employees. To illustrate the practical application of these cultural insights, consider the case of a multinational corporation with offices in both the United States and Japan. In the U.S. office, the company implemented an employee recognition program that included public awards ceremonies, individual bonuses, and personal achievement plaques. This program was well received and led to increased employee motivation and engagement. However, when the same program was introduced in the Japanese office, it did not yield the same positive results. Employees felt uncomfortable with the public recognition and individual focus, which clashed with the collectivist and high-context culture of Japan. As a result, the company revised the recognition program to include team-based rewards and private acknowledgement from supervisors, which better aligned with Japanese cultural values and led to improved employee satisfaction and performance. Furthermore, the effectiveness of recognition programs can also be influenced by cultural attitudes towards work and leisure. For instance, in cultures with a strong work ethic and high value placed on hard work, such as Germany and South Korea, recognition programs that reward dedication, overtime, and productivity are likely to be more effective. In contrast, in cultures that emphasize work-life balance and leisure, such as France and the Netherlands, recognition programs that offer additional vacation days, flexible working hours, and wellness programs may be more appreciated. In addition to cultural dimensions, it is essential to consider the role of communication styles in recognition programs. High-context cultures, such as those in East Asia, rely heavily on implicit communication and nonverbal cues. In these cultures, subtle and indirect forms of recognition, such as a nod of approval or a discreet thank you note, can be very meaningful. In contrast, low-context cultures, such as those in North America and Western Europe, prefer explicit and direct communication. In these cultures, clear and unambiguous recognition, such as public announcements and formal awards, are more effective. Another important consideration is the impact of globalization and cultural convergence. As companies become more globalized, there is an increasing need to balance global consistency with local adaptation in recognition programs. While it is important to maintain a coherent and consistent recognition strategy across all offices, it is equally crucial to tailor the programs to fit local cultural contexts. This balance can be achieved through a glocal approach, which combines global principles with local customization. For example, a global recognition program may establish core values and principles, such as fairness, transparency, and inclusivity, while allowing local offices to adapt the specific practices and rewards to align with local cultural norms and preferences. In conclusion, recognition programs across cultures require a nuanced and culturally sensitive approach. Senior professionals in Human Resources International must be adept at understanding and navigating cultural differences to design and implement effective recognition strategies. By considering cultural dimensions such as power distance, individualism versus collectivism, uncertainty avoidance, and long-term versus short-term orientation, HR professionals can tailor recognition programs to resonate with employees' cultural values and expectations. Additionally, recognizing the importance of communication styles and the impact of globalization can further enhance the effectiveness of these programs. Ultimately, culturally attuned recognition programs can significantly contribute to employee engagement, motivation, and retention, thereby supporting the overall success of the organization. This concludes the lesson. We trust you found this video informative and engaging. To enroll in the complete course, please use the link provided in the description below. At UExcel, we are committed to your learning journey. Each course offers a certificate of completion, online support, and downloadable resource files to enhance your experience. If you found our content valuable, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to supporting your continued pursuit of knowledge.